We have here subtraction and addition algebraic fractions. So first, before we find the least common denominator, the easiest way is to check if we can factorize something in the denominator. We have t and 4t squared, so we can factorize t. So first fraction we will copy, and in the second we will factorize t, so it will be 1 plus 4t, and next we copy 5t, and we can factorize 2, so it will be 1 plus 4t. So we see now that the least common denominator for these three fractions, what will be? First we have to check the numbers. We have 2 and 2. So the least common denominator for 2 will be 2. Next we have t and t. So we have to put times t, and we have 1 plus 4t, 1 plus 4t. So we have to copy. And now let's see what we have to do. We have 2t, but we multiply this 2t by 1 plus 4t. So when I multiply this denominator by 1 plus 4t, I have to do the same with this numerator. And now we will have 1 times this whole expression, give me 1 plus 4t. Next we have negative sign, and we have to have the same denominator. We have t and this parenthesis, we don't have 2, so it means we have to multiply this denominator by 2. When I multiply denominator, I have to multiply numerator by the same number, so it will be 3 times 2 is 6, and next we have plus. We have 2t times 1 plus 4t in the denominator. We have here 2 and we don't have t, so we have to multiply by t denominator, so numerator we have to do the same. So now we have 5t times t is 5t squared. Now when we have the same denominator, we have to copy the denominator, and we have to start from the left side. Next we have negative sign, so we have negative 6, and we have positive 5t squared. So this is equal. We can combine the like terms, and I will put first the highest power, so we 5t squared plus 4t, and 1 minus 6 is negative 5 over 2t, 1 plus 4t. This is my solution.